So let's move along now and get more familiar with wire rope. There are three basic components of wire rope: the core, the multi-wire strands which are wrapped around the core, and wires that form the strands. Wire rope is part of the crane's structure. It must be carefully selected, inspected, and maintained. You should visually inspect moving and standing ropes, fittings, and pins. Any rope that has not been used in 1 month or more must be inspected before use. All ropes should be examined for the conditions that make a rope extremely susceptible to failure. Only through inspection can potential hazards be detected and accidents avoided. To properly inspect the rope, you need to know how it's constructed. So let's define some terms. Lay length is the distance measured parallel to the axis of the rope in which a strand makes a complete revolution around the core. Rope lay refers to the direction of strands in a rope. It can either be to the right, called right lay, or to the left, referred to as left lay. Both flexibility and resistance to wear are affected by the lay of the rope. In most cases, the industry uses right lay rope. In regular lay rope, all the wires in the strand are laid in one direction, and the strands are laid in the opposite direction. This gives the rope stability and good resistance to kinking and twisting. It's also easy to handle. And because the exposed wire is short, ropes of regular lay can withstand a lot of crushing and distortion. Now, I realize the terms rope lay and regular lay may be a bit confusing. Just remember this: the term rope lay refers to the direction of the strands. The term regular lay pertains to the actual construction of the rope. Non-rotating rope is designed to be counterbalanced with little tendency to twist either way. They do this by having two layers of strands, one with right lay, the other with left lay. So any tendency to twist one way is balanced by the tendency to twist the other way. Non-rotating rope can be used for the main hoist and auxiliary hoist, but is not allowed on the boom hoist. It's easily damaged and requires special care. The most important quarterly operational check on hoisting and rigging equipment involves the load-supporting wire rope and fittings. Detailed records of rope use should be kept.